When it comes to window glass services, whether you're looking for repairs, replacements, or installations, the importance of choosing a local expert cannot be overstated. In Birmingham, a vibrant city with a mix of modern and traditional architecture, local window glass professionals bring unique advantages that larger, national chains simply can't match. Here's why choosing a local Birmingham window glass expert is the best decision for your home or business. Personalized service tailored to your needs. One of the primary reasons to go local is the personalized service that local window glass professionals can provide. In a large company, you may find yourself dealing with multiple points of contact or a standard, one-size-fits-all approach. In contrast, local experts often take the time to understand your specific needs and preferences. Whether you need a quick repair for a cracked window, an entire set of replacements, or an energy-efficient upgrade, local professionals will listen to your concerns, offer tailored solutions, and make recommendations based on your property's unique requirements. Their ability to provide personalized, friendly service ensures a smoother, less stressful experience from start to finish. Deep knowledge of local architecture and regulations. Birmingham has a rich architectural heritage, from its iconic Victorian and Edwardian buildings to contemporary urban designs. Local window glass experts are not only familiar with the variety of architectural styles in the city but also well versed in any specific planning or building regulations that may apply. For example, if you're living in a conservation area or dealing with heritage-listed properties, local experts will know the specific glass requirements and regulations that need to be followed to preserve the character of your building. Their understanding of local planning laws, building codes, and regional trends means that they can guide you through the process smoothly, ensuring compliance and avoiding costly mistakes. Faster response times and emergency services. When you experience a broken window or need urgent repairs, time is of the essence. Local window glass experts are more accessible and can respond to your needs far quicker than national chains, which may have to schedule appointments days or even weeks in advance. Living in Birmingham, you have the advantage of proximity. Local glass professionals are just a short distance away, allowing for faster response times and quicker resolution of any problems you face. Whether it's a broken window in the middle of the night or a cracked pane that needs immediate attention, local experts can provide prompt emergency services to restore security and comfort to your property without unnecessary delays. Support the local economy. Choosing a local business helps to support the community in which you live. By hiring Birmingham-based window glass experts, you're helping to create jobs, support small businesses, and contribute to the local economy. Local professionals reinvest their profits into the community, which ultimately benefits the city at large. Moreover, local businesses often have a vested interest in maintaining a good reputation within their community. This can result in better customer service, as they rely on word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business from local customers. As a customer, you can take pride in knowing you're supporting a business that shares your investment in the city's success. High-quality, sustainable materials. Local window glass companies often have closer relationships with suppliers, which means they can source high-quality materials at competitive prices. This is particularly important when you're looking to upgrade your windows with energy-efficient or eco-friendly options. Local experts can offer a wide variety of glass types, including double glazing, low E glass, or safety glass, to suit your needs and budget. In addition to providing quality products, local glass specialists are often more committed to sustainability. Many prioritize environmentally friendly practices, whether it's in the disposal of old glass or the sourcing of materials. If sustainability is a priority for you, working with a local expert may offer more eco-conscious options compared to large, corporate chains. Reliable and trustworthy professionals. The reputation of local window glass experts is often tied to the quality of their work and their relationship with customers. Since they depend on local clients for continued business, you're more likely to receive reliable and trustworthy service. Local experts are motivated to build long-term relationships with customers, ensuring that the quality of their work meets or exceeds expectations. With a smaller, more dedicated team, you'll also have the advantage of dealing with the same experts each time you need service. This consistency builds trust and familiarity, which is essential when it comes to maintaining your home or business. Cost-effective solution. While national chains may offer competitive prices, local businesses often provide more cost-effective solutions by cutting out the middleman and focusing on the needs of their community. Local window glass experts can offer affordable pricing options, often at a better value than national companies, all while providing higher quality work and products. Additionally, local businesses are less likely to charge hidden fees, and you can often discuss pricing directly with the team in person, ensuring a transparent, straightforward transaction. Conclusion. Choosing a local Birmingham window glass expert ensures you receive top-notch service, faster response times, and expert advice that is tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for a quick repair, an upgrade to energy-efficient windows, or a custom installation, local professionals bring valuable expertise and a commitment to quality. By opting for local services, you're not only investing in the future of your property but also supporting your local economy. In Birmingham, the best decision you can make for your window glass needs is choosing a local expert you can trust.